Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check what's new in the Microsoft Store. So if you often download application from Microsoft Store, now you can open your Microsoft Store first on Windows 11. So here, if you often purchase or install free app or get any apps from this Microsoft Store, you have to keep updates. For example, you can try to download the updates here. So there are some updates as you can use. So you can download and install app updates by clicking get updates. And talk about what's new. Here we go. There is a what's new feature. What's new in Microsoft Store? We are excited to share improvements to make the store better for you. For example, you can there's a new product detail page layout, like revamped product detail page layout. Store search suggestion: when you're searching for content in the store search box, this one at the top of your screen, a new layout at the bottom of the search display suggests content you may be interested in. And also the experimental, this is like a beta, categories for gaming. From the game page, you can now navigate easily and quickly through different game categories such as strategy, RPG, shooter, sport, puzzle, and simulation. Let's try. Click on gaming, and this is the category I mentioned before on the what's new. Role playing. Let's click role playing, and this is all the role playing games that you can get from Microsoft Store. There's a free one like Fallout Shelter and some RPG game like Warhammer Chaos and Conquest. You can get it free here, but there is in-app purchases, of course. And also some games, shooting games like Code of War, Lies of P, Nier Automata, and even you can get Game Pass of Skyrim, Lords of Fallen, Fallout 4, and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.